Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you can leave WhatsApp community. If you have joined any WhatsApp community, WhatsApp group community, and now you want to leave that, you can do it. So for that, just open your WhatsApp account and open community which you want to leave. Just when you open this, click at the top of its profile, like where its name is written. Just click on this profile. When you click on this, here you can see there are two options. The second one is announcements and the first one is community. Simply click on this community and scroll down at the bottom. Here at the bottom you will see an option called exit community. Just simply click on exit and just simply click and again exit. When you click on it, you will be removed or you will leave the community of this WhatsApp. But keep in mind, when you leave the community, you will not leave the group. If you want to stay in a group, then you can stay, and if you want to leave the group, then you can leave your group too in this way. So this is the way you can leave your WhatsApp community anytime when you want.